Thanks, Laura. Here we are with Maxi, the hero of the city. He saved an older man in a robbery. So, Maxi, tell us about your job.
Hey Nicholas, my job is very difficult because the people of the city are angry and exiting.
When did you start working?
When I was 15 years old,
What do you like about your job?
I like risking my life of the city.
Do you work under pressure?
Sometimes when the situation is difficult.
Do you work in a team?
Yes, I work in the angry team.
How do you save his life?
When I have stuck and dead man in danger, I am ran very last and saw his life and robbery.
Thanks, Maxi, for your time.
You are welcome.